Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix lag in Free Fire Max on Realme C85. So friends, if you just play games in your smartphone and your smartphone creates a lag, or there is a FPS problem, so first you have to go to this search and then here you have to write a refresh rate. After clicking on its screen refresh rate, tap on this and enable 144 Hz of refresh rate. Then second thing you can just do it, that is just clean your storage, erase all the data from your smartphone, just that are unwanted and unuseful, just delete them, like applications, photos, videos, documents, audios, everything you have to just fix it. Then friends, you have to just delete and uninstall that application that taking too much of storage and that taking too much battery. So you have to just uninstall that application and just do time to time regular updates of your applications and your software updates. Then you can play your games, it will be working fine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.